This is the second time I'm taking this off, so it's easy. Before I had to dent it, and now it's coming off just like that. Next, I've already loosened it a little bit, but there we go. I gotta take this drum off, and it's not easy. Oh, this one's actually, look at that, I lucked out, it's coming off easy. Not denting anything, just kind of wiggling it off. I just had this off recently, that's why it's coming off so easily. It's usually a pain in the butt, but you gotta keep working at it. Okay, there we have a screwed up drum. I took this one in for someone to machine it, and they can't turn these, they shouldn't turn these ones with the integrated bearings, because they'll screw it up somehow. Either they'll make the surface out of round, or they'll get junk in the bearing or something. And I took it into a guy that said, yeah, he can do that, but in fact he couldn't, and he screwed it up. Now I need a new one. Okay, taking off these brakes, pretty easy. I'm taking them off just for demonstration purposes. Don't really need to take them off. Like that. Like that. And then slide this guy out. Take this guy off. And then if you do this right, you can take the whole thing off as an assembly, except for that one spring that I already took off there. And that demonstrates how also we're going to reassemble. Putting it together, I'm going like this, putting that spring in, actually, into that one, that hole, putting that there, and then in 3 axes, you're going to want to go like this. And it snaps in. And then we can reassemble the rest of it. Like that. See if I can do that without. Probably easier the other way. Like that. And then up there like that, and then down. Oops, it's not all the way in. It is. Nope, it's not. There we go. Why is that not working? Something's not working. Should be turning. That's okay. That spring should be flat. Why is it hanging up? That looks good. Maybe it's this. It's probably the adjuster. Oh yeah, that's what it is. It's the adjuster is tight. There. See what I did is I released that adjuster by pulling down on it like that. This that's the brake adjuster, like that. There's totally loose, but now it's too loose, and now that part right there won't catch in that hole. So I gotta back it, gotta put it back a little bit like that. So now that one will go in the hole there. Now what I'm going to do is connect the parking brake first, and then put that last spring on. There. Well, that took a while, didn't it?
Daddy.
Oh no! Come on, let me get my stuff done. What?
Never mind.
Yeah. Come on. Let me. That noise was the adjuster. I'm going to have to readjust the adjuster, but I'm going to do that later. Now, let's see, screwdriver. This is the way I do it. I don't know how everybody else does it, but well, I did it this way before. There we go. There. So that's all on. Next thing are these guys. Oh, don't forget to lube this here. All these faces. I use some anti-seize compound because it's really thick and it's got zinc in it to act as a sacrificial metal, kind of a sacrificial anode. And I think it keeps things from rusting as well as lubricating them. Okay, change position here. I don't know why these always face this way, not the other way. It seems like they should be facing down, not up. We have to work on this adjuster. We have to loosen, back off the adjuster again. But now it's hard, difficult to do at this point because all the springs are driving things the wrong way. And it's kind of a bitch. You gotta get in there and nail that that post there. All right, I did it. Wasn't so bad after all. There. Make sure it's completely backed off. You want it completely backed off. Squeeze them. Make sure that's backed off completely. And there we're set. New drum, 50 bucks. Napa. It's the way to go. Just buy a new one. Don't screw with replacing the bearing. It's and preserving the drum. It's for 50 bucks. It's all assembled and all done. It's the way to go. Now, there, just like that. So easy. Big nut goes back on. So that's almost my full weight at the end of this breaker bar. So yeah, that's my full weight. Wait, let me check. 172, wait, one more. 174, there we go, just exactly right. Now, next step is I'm going to put this dust cap on. Well, first I'm going to take off my old RTV, clean it all up, put the dust cap on, squeeze in some more RTV, and I'll be done.